Good morning, everybody. So today I'm doing a little vlog. I'm doing things a little different. Today I'm not going to do anything about cars, rather I would say about technology and stuff. I'm heading to Home Depot right now. I've been doing a lot of research about solar LED lighting, landscape lighting to be exact. We just recently moved to a new place. For some of you that don't know, we have 5 kids. We had a new baby boy the previous year and a half. That's why, we've been busy with so many things, and that's the reason why you guys haven't seen a lot of review that I go to dealership and review cars. But now, since he's getting a little older, I have a lot more times to go out and film more cars. There is a lot of cars that just came out, and I'm going to be dropping a lot of new reviews, so stay tuned on that. But today I'm going to review the solar LED lighting, landscape lighting. A lot of you guys, especially all the men, if you guys own a house, I think you guys will find this useful at one point. This lighting, LED lighting solar system that I found is very affordable, and I've been doing a lot of research online and at the store on this. So this is a very affordable lighting that I found, and made with very good material, constructed with metal finish and all. So this is more like a product review. I think you guys will find it very useful, and you guys will thank me for this. Personally, I think if you invest in a house, that's like the most biggest investment in your lifetime, right? You spend all that money into a house. You want everybody to see your house, especially at night. It adds a very special touch to your house at night. I have done a lot of research and see a lot of pictures, and it looks totally different after adding lights to the house. If you could go out and buy a set of this and add a very special touch to your house, you will see the difference during nighttime, and you will thank me for it. This is a solar system, and it's very energy efficient. Don't waste any money into electricity bill. The Hampton Day LED floodlight for your landscape. Save you a lot of money for electricity. Let me turn the camera the other way so you guys can see. This one, from the scale from 1 to 10, it is rated at 4, which is the brightness scale. Comes included with the rechargeable battery. This one comes on at dusk, and I tested it out last night. It comes on around like 7 o'clock until all the way up to 6 o'clock in the morning. It said about 8 hours of operating times on the package, and the lumens is 40 peak light output. I think that is more than enough for any house to look good during nighttime. This cost me $9.99, which is right about $11 after tax. I think it is very affordable for the price. I also see a lot of other kind that's for sales at Home Depot, which is for $40, and it's the same thing. Like the lumen is about 50 lumens and 8 hours of operating times. Same kind of finish. This one comes with metal finish, metal construction. The poles are metal as well, and the spec that goes to the ground is hard plastic, which is very sturdy. I will go ahead and open it so you guys can see what the actual light look like. When you open the package, first thing you see is the use and care guide, and here are the specs. It is made of hard plastic, very sturdy, and here's the pole that's connected to the solar panel and the light itself. Here's the light. There, as you can see, the LED light bulbs, and it has the projector to better project the light onto the wall of the landscape itself. And this knob right here, you can actually turn it to adjust the light. Some of the one that I found in the store that sell for $49 doesn't have this option. So this is one thing that I like about this light. It has the adjustable for you, and it is only $10. And here is the solar panel. As you can see, here's the plastic to protect it. You are supposed to remove this plastic when it is in use. Here in the back, you have the on and off button. So if you turn it on, and if I cover this thing up, you see the light turn on. And I have to tell you, at nighttime it is very bright. This is just enough. That is all you want for your landscape light. And I have to say it is very sturdy. Very well constructed material. Here's the dimension. And this wire right here, you can actually move the solar panel to where the sun hit it directly for better charging. That is one thing I like about this kind of light too. I see some more expensive lights that come with the solar panel on top of the light, but I don't think that work well as this one, because this one you can actually move the solar panel to where the sun directly hit it, versus the other light, it's on top of the light. So if, let's say if I want my light to shine on that tree right there, and if I point it directly up to the tree, and then at that position the sunlight doesn't hit directly to it, then I will have to move the whole light assembly to another place. But versus that one, if you can see, I have the light right there and then the solar panel right here, which is very convenient. It works either way. I have 3 lights on each palm tree right now. But anyway, I will wait until it gets dark to show you guys how my light looks like at night.